Alright guys, gonna give you a quick video. I know it's been a minute, but pouring and polishing these heads took me at least a good 3 weeks. You know, just because of family and life and work. But yeah, it's done. Gonna show you the process and show you what I did to get it to where it's at. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so the pouring and polishing is complete. I'm very happy with the end results, just especially it being my first time. I've learned a lot watching other people's YouTube videos. Took the information that Paul gave me from Wireworks Performance to what to do. I took all that and did my own little thing. 6-cylinder is still pretty banged up. It was a lot worse, trust me. It was a lot worse, but I think this is gonna work pretty good. If all else fails, I can still swap over to the E88. That one's already poured and polishing. I don't gotta do anything, especially just cleaning it up. That's all I gotta do. But now that this is complete, I'm gonna send it to the machine shop to get it decked, get it bee blasted, and do a valve job. I'm gonna get all the components from the original L28 motor. All the components are gonna just swap over to the N42. I don't know why I thought this was a P90 head. I'm over here telling everybody, oh, I got a P90 head, but it's not. I've had this face like this the whole time, and I've never even bothered to look. I just assumed it was a P90 head, so I never even bothered to look. But yeah, I play myself on that one. But yeah, this is done. I used the JetX pouring and polishing kit from Amazon. It was about $30. I used the burr set from Amazon as well. If I can get this open. Tip to use these, I rub some bearing grease on them, just very, very lightly. That way when, especially with aluminum, when I'm cutting aluminum, that aluminum just stuck between those teeth and it's very difficult to remove them. But when you rub bearing grease, it actually helps from it sticking on there. So that helped me out a lot. I also use this little kit with the Dremel for the little details. And like I said, man, I'm happy with the results. So next thing for me to do was, yeah, obviously send it to the machine shop. This took me 3 weeks to do. 2 hours in a day, and sometimes I come home late at night and I'll spend some time on it. You know, just work, life, kids, family. It's just some stuff gets in the way, but I try to stay consistent. That way I can feed some content for you guys. another thing I want to say is I'll probably get negative comments about it, but I'm gonna paint my aluminum cylinder head. And I've heard negative comments, I heard positive comments. So I've seen GM people, I've seen Mopar people do it on their aluminum cylinder head. So why not? You know, I just want to try it. I want to try it. I'm building this motor for fun, for looks, not really for performance. Why are you pouring and polishing? Well, the reason why I'm doing it is because I've always wanted to do that. You know, I see my boss at Wireworks doing it, and I've always been curious to do it, but I'm pretty sure he's not just gonna let me practice on a customer's car. You know, that's ridiculous. You can't do that. So I'm practicing on my own vehicle. So this is where I get to build experience and learn something new. So yeah, the next thing I got to do now is get all of this cleaned out. Get all this cleaned out and start doing the floor pans and the frame rails. They're not bad. The floor pans are not that bad. It's just little holes. So I don't know if I'm gonna patch it or do it right. I may just do it right. That way I can make a good video. But these frame rails are just trash. Well, I mean, that one doesn't look bad, but the other side. So I'm gonna reinforce those, make them good. That way, when I actually put this on the car lift, they won't crush the frame rails. But all this is dusty. Got to clean it. Once I pull this motor out, I got to fix the imperfections of the paint job. So that's that. Yeah. So bottom end of the block should be coming in soon from Wireworks Performance. Once that arrives, hopefully this is back soon, and then we can start assembling this motor. So all right, guys, appreciate the support. Appreciate you liking and subscribing to my page, and I'll see you on the next one.